How to add search bar on Wix and customize it. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. Just open up your site on Wix and this is how it will look like. Now just click on this option of add apps at the left hand side panel. Just click on it and wait for it to load. After that, search for Wix site search and hit enter. Now you would be able to see some options over here. The first one is free to install and the other ones are paid version. So you can just go for them until they are for free trial, or you can just purchase them. For this video, we will just go with the free one. And after that, just click on this option of add to site. Now wait for it to do its work and get it done. And after it is done, this is how it will appear. Now you can just simply click on this option of settings in order to customize it. Just click on settings and now just enable or disable whatever the stuff that you want to show up in your search or not. And you can also reorder it according to your needs and requirements. And this is how you customize it and add it in your Wix page. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.